In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove users in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and then locate the gear icon located on the top right of your screen. Head over and click on that and you should be able to see in here this. Now once you're in there, you just need to head over to the users and themes section. Here it is right here, so head over and click on that. Once you're in there, you can see all the available users you have. So in order to add a user, you just need to head over and then click onto the plus icon that will actually appear, or click onto this create icon. Enter right here the email address of that user. So let's head over and enter right here their email address. Once you have inputted this in here, just click on next. Then choose right here their seed assignment. Click on next again and click on create. Once that user has been added, you should be able to see in here this, so you can head over and then set him off if you're done. Now, in order to remove a user, you just need to click on actions next to their name, and then from in there, click on this deactivate user or remove user. After that, click on this deactivate again to confirm the prompt, and they will be deleted right here. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.